Hi, this is Naga. I just completed my Foundation of Apprenticeship in Professional Cookery Level 2. Actually, I done my 3 years bachelor degree in culinary cooking. I passed it on to the 2015. Then I had a 2 years experience in India. I started working in a 5-star hotels at JW Marriott Pune. Then I got the opportunity to move to Gulf countries. Then I moved to UK for last 2 years and got a chance to work in a beautiful North Wales. Currently, I'm working in a St. John's hotel as a junior sous chef. I got a more responsibility after doing this apprenticeship. I got promoted, so now I have the company, they believe in me. So I'm start doing the extra tasks than the before. I'm managing the team, I'm involving the menu compiling, create a new dishes for the menu in the Christmas and past other events. And especially I'm playing the role as a event coordinator now. Who are the guys who's coming for the wedding tasting or something, I'm attending them, I'm dealing with them. I'm handling them, okay, which can be the best for you. I don't have the local knowledge so far, but still I'm getting the knowledge from the team, they're supporting me for that. Other than getting the qualification, I had a fun in the workplace, discussing the things with my tutor. He really shared his experience, his knowledge. I have some experience, but also it's the added experience and his knowledge and his experience as well. So I can know more things that's in the UK and how the North Wales works, how the cooking, the field works. Jan is my tutor. He really supported me a lot in all the ways, because if the person is not there, I'm not going to get this opportunity to do the courses and everything. So he supported me from the beginning till the complete entire the courses. He come to the kitchen like every month or twice a month. We discuss about the cookery, we discuss about the cooking techniques and hygiene, how it work, and all the way of handling the foods and everything, how to approach and everything. He shares his experience, knowledge and everything, more with the practical wise, also the theoretical wise. I would really recommend the guys who are thinking to take this apprenticeship. It really help you to grow your knowledge, learn more things, and it's also help you in a financial wise. It's never too late, because last 10 years I don't have any like a steady purpose or something. I passed out on 2015 my previous education qualification. Now 2024, like 9-10 years, I'm not the person touching any books or holding anything, just a knife. Okay, that's why last 10 years I'm doing it. So this is the right time that I get a chance to do it. I was really happy for that. I really thankful to the college management and all the people from the government as well. So go for it, guys. It's definitely going to bring you something special in the future.